Thanks and welcome to the GrabCoin YouTube page. Just a little intraday video update on Bitcoin. It is precisely at periods of big Bitcoin declines when the SPX appears from that chart, which I'm not sure if you're viewing that there is typically some extra volatility when the SPX falls after opening, and that they haven't been strongly associated lately. A correlation between the two suggests that Bitcoin was watching the US stock market to see what was happening. Selling pressure is obviously quite strong as the price gets closer to the support zone. Many investors had been expecting a downturn after this perhaps 5-wave upward surge, which is why we see this support zone and micro support zone Z on the chart. This should ideally elicit a response. Between 61,240 to 62,357 is the support zone. Given that I discussed this support area with you in the previous video, why do we still need to see a reaction? In this video, I really want to concentrate on the near future, that is, if we are in the yellow count. This rally would have been a 5-wave move with a minor wave 1 if the yellow count suggests that this is wave 2, which ended about May 9th. This would be wave 2. It should stay above the low starting on Thursday, but ideally it would stay in the support area. Then we might investigate it further. If we break the Thursday low and there is a warning that we will, for instance, this support area will still be crucial. This is so that, although not ideal, it is conceivable to interpret this declining trend as a WXY pattern, as was discussed in the previous video. Moreover, the wave has an ABC. While this B wave is bigger than the X wave, it is still desirable and would not be perfect. May 1st to May 6th saw no crossing of such line. I still see this first micro support breaching if we don't see a break below that level. That is the reason it is crucial. Our pricing structure overlaps, but it seems to be maintaining a high degree of stability rather than being impulsive to the negative. Corrective action should be simple, since it just needs to maintain above the 78.6 retracement. But should prices drop below that mark, our goal will be the low from last Wednesday, May 1st. Prices might drop below 55.35 thousand at that point, maybe even 50.7 thousand. But right now, that is not anticipated. Though at this moment I am unable to verify it, the price in this area should be rising. We so wish to mention that this support zone maintains. A price turnaround is possible right now. Am I allowed to look forward now? No, I can only provide the thresholds at which reactions are now observable. It looks like we have had a significant retreat. Maybe we will get over it. You will definitely know more after watching. Although everything in the video is once more quite vibrant, that would not be unexpected. Let us begin with the lower support area, which is pertinent and once more below the range of 58,360 to 60,860. Even farther down, there is more help, but it all depends on when it becomes available. Alright, so you might have watched the e-video. I want you to be ready for the first nano price drop because this is the genuine deal. Ethereum has not yet developed a 5-wave upswing from the low of Thursday, which puts it in even more dangerous situation. Strong downward pressure is still present and the micro support zone is giving way. Should there be another decline, keep an eye on the next support level at 59,800, then 58360. This would represent the bearish short-term scenario. It all comes down to the higher degree waves after those levels where we observe another structural breakdown. Since this larger degree 4th wave is still being worked on, we might hit another low before deciding that we have bottomed out. You can see we are attacking right now. I've updated my Bitcoin here most recently. If you liked it, do hit the like button and add a comment. Your seeing is really appreciated. We'll find out the initial micro support might have already broken. All I want to do is make sure you're ready for everything we didn't go over in the last video, as well as the several stages and eventualities. Since we are genuinely getting close to a peak here, either in wave B in white or in wave 5 live, as I indicated in the last video, it is not unexpected that we are seeing a retreat now, at least in the moment of truth.